Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to solve MySQL Shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP. If you're using XAMPP for your web development projects and have encountered issues with MySQL shutting down unexpectedly, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to diagnose and solve MySQL shutdown unexpectedly issues in XAMPP, and you'll be able to keep your MySQL server running smoothly for all of your web development projects. So let's get started. MySQL shutdown unexpectedly refers to an unexpected and unplanned termination of the MySQL database management system. This can happen when the MySQL server stops running without any proper shutdown or exit procedures being followed. An unexpected shutdown can result in data loss, corrupted data, or other issues that may affect the performance of the database. There are several reasons why MySQL may shut down unexpectedly, including power failure or system crash, configuration issues, insufficient system resources, bugs or other issues within MySQL itself, or even external factors like network issues. It's important to identify the root cause of the unexpected shutdown to prevent further instances of data loss or corruption. If MySQL has shut down unexpectedly, it's recommended to review the error logs to identify the cause of the issue. Once the root cause has been identified, you can take steps to resolve the issue and prevent future occurrences of unexpected shutdowns. MySQL can shut down unexpectedly for a variety of reasons, including power failure or system crash. If your system experiences a power failure or a crash, MySQL may not have had the chance to shut down properly, leading to an unexpected shutdown. Out of memory or other resource constraints. If MySQL runs out of memory or other system resources, it may shut down unexpectedly. Configuration issues. Incorrect configuration settings in the MySQL configuration file can cause unexpected shutdowns. Bugs or other issues. Occasionally, bugs or other issues within MySQL itself can cause unexpected shutdowns. These issues may be related to the version of MySQL you're using, the specific features you're using, or other factors. Here are the steps on how to solve the error. Watch the video on how to fix the error on MySQL shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP. Hello everyone. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching this video on how to solve MySQL Shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP. I hope you found the information in this tutorial useful and that it has helped you to identify and resolve any issues you may have been experiencing with your MySQL server. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Your feedback is always appreciated and helps us to create even more helpful content in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may find it useful. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on web development. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.